Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, and today we'll be taking a look at the 2018 Toyota Tundra Crewmax 5.7 liter TRD Offroad. So this is a 4-door, 5-passenger, 4x4 Crewmax pickup truck, and the color is called Blazing Blue Metallic. Under the hood, you'll find a 5.7-liter V8 cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 18-inch alloy wheels. Now, some of your features include your front fog lamps, you have your rear window defroster with that fully automatic window in the back, and you also have all these great, amazing chrome accents along with your 2 front recovery hooks. But there's a ton happening on the inside as well, so why don't we hop on in and take a look. Helping you into your Tundra is this handy dandy key fob. So on your fob, you have your lock, your unlock, and your panic button. Pushing the unlock button once unlocks the front doors, and pushing it twice unlocks all 4. We're just gonna open this up here. We'll take a look at the interior, see what's happening in here. So lots of room, nice and spacious. You do have some storage here in the driver's side door. You also have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Your power mirrors are situated just to the left of your steering wheel here, along with your cargo box lighting, your automatic rear window. Now this is the whole window that goes up and down, and it goes all the way down, which is really, really great in that those summer months. You also have your automatic high beams, which is part of your safety sense package that comes on all of 2018s. You do have 2 sets of floor mats, including your all-weather floor mats, and you have your power adjustable driver's seat. You know, you have this really great premium cloth interior, and then you have your power tilt and slide sunroof. So we're just gonna hop on in here. We'll take a look at some more technology features. Pardon the shakiness here, give me one moment. I'm only 5 feet tall and this is a tall truck, so give me 1 sec. Here we go. Start it up here for you. All right, sorry about that. So we are taking a look at the beautiful display on your dash there. Moving a little bit further back, we do have all of our mounted controls that we're going to want on our steering wheel. You have your volume control and your music selection buttons. You also have your voice command and your mode changer. You have your hands-free calling just below that. And then on the right-hand side, you have your menu options. Now this is going to be for your dash. You have your speedometer, your rest time that you can set. That's going to be a really handy tool if you're doing long hauls. You have your average fuel economy, things like that. Moving a bit further in, you have your navigation, you have your music, you do have your cruise control and your lane departure warning settings and everything having to do with your Toyota Safety Sense, which includes your forward collision alert. All of your settings are available to you just there. Moving a bit further down from here, here's where you set your dynamic radar cruise control. That's going to be nice again on those long drives. And then you can turn off and on your lane departure warning. Your cruise control is right back here behind your steering wheel. Moving a little bit further down from there, you do have your park assist and all of your trailering equipment there along with your traction control. Now moving into the entertainment section of the vehicle, we have everything you're going to need for your audio entertainment. So let's just take a look here. You have your AM FM radio, Sirius XM. You do have your CD player and your audio input and your USB. You also have your Bluetooth audio, which gives you your hands-free calling as well. And then in your applications, you have your navigation system. Now this is a really user-friendly navigation system to use. Come on in, take it for a test drive, plug in a few addresses, see how easy it is to use yourself. Moving a little bit further down from there, you do have your 4x4 controllers here. You have your air conditioning included in your temperature control there. And then right below that, for the winter months, you have your passenger and your driver heated seats. This is also where you'd plug in your audio input and your USB. And then you have 2 12-volt DC plugins should you have any other devices that you would like to charge. So lots of great stuff. You have 3 different cup holders. You have those great chrome accents all throughout the interior. And then in your center console, you have yet another 12-volt DC plug-in and a huge amount of storage space. So that's going to be really convenient, especially if you're taking it to work with you. Now, a couple more things I want to show you. You do have a lockable glove box here, and it's a nice, huge glove box. You have a couple of shelves in there just showing how big it is, and then you have all of the manuals that you're going to need. So lots of really great stuff happening in the front of the Tundra. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo? taking a look at the back of your Tundra now. Tons going on back here as well. You do have your box lighting at the top of your rear window there. You also have all of your parking sensors. These are going to be your rear parking sensors on your chrome bumper. You also have your trailering equipment that you're going to need to carry all of your toys and workload, along with your spare tire underneath there. Now, right next to your handle here is your rear vision camera. That's going to make it much easier for you to back out of those busy parking spots, or even in your own neighborhood, out of your own driveway and in the work site. Much safer with eyes in the back of your head. And here is your easy lift and lower tailgate. It's not going to come smashing down on you. And then there's your nice spacious box. So you are all set to go with your Tundra. Giving you a final look then of your 2018 Toyota Tundra Crewmax 5.7 liter with your TRD Offroad package. Now, those back windows are a little tinted to give your passengers a bit of privacy, and there's a lot more going on this truck that I didn't get a chance to go through in this brief walk around. So come on in, take a look at it for yourself. Don't take my word for it. Take it for a test drive. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. My name is Elisa. Thank you again for watching, and until we see you, drive safe.